Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the compressor. This prevents electrical hazard. Once done, remove the top cover with the correct screwdriver so you can inspect the piston, cylinder, and intake filter. Make sure to check for visible oil, scoring on the piston, and torn gaskets. These explain common leaks and pressure loss. Take photos if parts are worn. They guide parts ordering. You'll save time and avoid misdiagnosis by documenting model and symptom specifics before disassembly. Now you remove the compressor head and slide out the piston assembly, keeping fasteners in labeled trays so reassembly is error-free. Once exposed, inspect valve plates and reed valves. Warping or carbon buildup reduces output and causes erratic airflow. Clean ports with a soft brush and isopropyl. Avoid harsh solvents that swell rubber. Measure cylinder clearance visually. Excessive scoring needs honing or replacement. Replace any brittle gaskets or O-rings. Because a tight seal is what restores proper compression, you reassemble the head, fitting new gaskets and seating the piston carefully. Tighten screws in a cross pattern to even torque so you avoid warping the head. Once assembled, run the unit for 5 to 10 minutes while monitoring pressure and listening for abnormal knocks or hissing. These tell you about misalignment or leaks. If output remains low, check valve seating and hose integrity and test the motor capacitor. A weak capacitor reduces RPM and pressure. Final tip: if persistent, swap one suspect part at a time to isolate failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.